minute Last minute exam savior books for first MBBS. The books suggested in this video are easy to revise books and more like points for those who didn't study well at the start of the academic year from the start, and if they want to study and pass only the important questions and the important points to remember, that are really very helpful for writing answers in exams. For those students, this video is really very helpful. So in first MBBS we have three subjects: anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. In anatomy, we should concentrate on diagrams. Here are my suggestions. Tips for last minute readers. Concentrate more on general anatomy, as there is a chance of getting more questions, that means short answers questions from general anatomy, and essay questions. Both the essays you will get 30 marks from gross anatomy, and from osteology you will get one short answer, and from histology you will get one short answer. I think from now, if you just read one day for internals just before the exam, you may finish essays. So I suggest you to concentrate on general anatomy, osteology, than concentrating on gross anatomy essays, because you will anyways get 30 marks. You can at least write relevant answers for essay questions, but you cannot write relevant answers for short answers, because they'll ask something about bone, and which you don't know anything about the particular bone, you can't write anything. There is no chance of getting such questions as essay. Like if they give essay on shoulder joint, you can at least write about muscles present at that region, the relevant answers, but you can't write relevant answers in short answers. That's my suggestion, to concentrate on general anatomy than concentrating on gross anatomy. Physiology seems like difficult while reading, but actually easy if we understand the concept and practice the flow charts. This is my personal opinion, that following LPR is nice for me to remember CNS than concentrating on difficult books. And I read every lesson from LPR except blood, endocrine and reproductive systems, which I chose AK Jain, and just go through the flow chart of cardiac cycle given in GK Paul. The chart in the chart we can see all the events happen in cardiac cycle, like ECG, JVP, ventricular volume, aortic blood flow and pressure. Just practicing flowcharts and representing the flowcharts in exam is enough for scoring good marks in physiology. Biochemistry. Simplified biochemistry is like a savior book of exam, and it is by authors Saubhagya Lakshmi and Mukesh Kumar. Practicing cycles and remembering them is important for biochemistry. I used to follow the technique. I used to wake up every morning and just go through the cycles check on myself that I can remember the cycle or not. If not, I used to read again. This is a very effective technique that I follow, and all the best. Utilize your time. Thank you.